Getting your grammar right is important when you communicate with real estate clients. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between the words as and like, and how to use these words correctly, especially in a professional real estate context? Stay tuned to learn how to avoid some typical grammar mistakes. And don't forget to take our quiz at the end of the video and test your progress. Hi, I'm Jenny from Real Estate English Academy, the place where real estate professionals go to build confidence and fluency in English. It's easy to mix up the words as and like, since they can both be used for comparisons. There are, however, some key differences that you need to be aware of. We typically use the structure as plus an adjective plus as, or the phrase as much as, to indicate if something has or doesn't have the same amount of a specific quality as something else. Let's take a look at an example to help clarify. The new tenant's credit rating is as strong as the retailers that used to occupy the building. In this case, the formula as plus an adjective plus as is used with the adjective strong, as strong as. Let's take a look at a few more examples. According to the building specifications, the structure will be as high as the neighboring building. As much as we would have preferred an underground parking facility, we'll have to make do with street parking. The word as is also used in the expression the same as. The rent for ground floor apartments is the same as the price for units on the upper floors. An excellent location in a secondary submarket is still not the same as a prime downtown location. Now, let's take a look at how to use the like plus noun structure. In the following comparisons, like is followed by a noun or a pronoun and is used to indicate that two things are similar. The stairwell in the access core is shaped like a corkscrew. The shopping center features many retail units like these. It's also typical to make comparisons using like with verbs of the senses, such as look, feel, or taste. The building was designed to look like the sails of a boat. The facade is made of a durable natural material that feels like wood. The word as can also be used in the structure as if or as though plus a clause. As if and as though can be used to compare a real situation to an imaginary one. Both are followed by a clause, more specifically by a subject and a verb. During the lease term, the tenant can use the building as if it were the owner. All sites, whether original or refurbished, must be valued as though they were in their original state. You can also use like or such as if you want to give an example. REITs typically own large properties like office buildings, shopping malls, hotels, warehouses, and apartments. Valuing real estate can be difficult since each property has unique features such as location, lot size, floor plan, and amenities. You can use the as plus a noun structure to talk about a job or function. I worked as a property manager for 3 years, specializing in luxury homes. The property is zoned for use as a single-family residence. As can also serve as a conjunction to connect two phrases. In this case, though, it can have different meanings. For example, as can have the same meaning as because. New developments will be snapped up quickly as investor interest and willingness to take risk remain high. As there are almost no vacancies in downtown areas, companies have to look for space elsewhere. When used as a conjunction, as can also mean while or during a specific time. Part of the building collapsed as it was being prepared for demolition. Secondary markets benefit as prime properties in downtown locations become increasingly scarce. As can also be used to express in the way that. As we expected, the tenant asked for a rent reduction due to the ongoing refurbishment works. As I said, I think the property will be let in no time. It's important to note that in colloquial speech, people sometimes say like for in the way that. Like I said, we could not have found a more suitable location for a logistics property. Now it's time for you to take our short quiz and test your grammar. Just fill in as or like in the blanks, and I'll give you the correct answers later. Feel free to pause the video at any time and give yourself enough time to think about the answers. Sentence 1. As or like development progresses, more and more companies are looking to rent. Sentence 2. As or like more people seek to live and work in this vibrant city, pressure on land supply will continue to increase. Sentence 3. Up and coming office locations, as or like Media Spree in Berlin, are playing an increasingly important role in the market. Sentence 4. She worked as or like a real estate agent before becoming a property manager. And the answers are Sentence 1, as. Sentence 2, as. Sentence 3, like. And Sentence 4, as. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below if there's a specific topic that you'd like us to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.